Hello viewers, welcome back to another live section. So guys, it don't read though. Court has ordered that Verydarkman will pay 500 million for defaming the Falanas, Femi Falana and his son, guys. They also said that he should, they ordered Verydarkman to bring down defamatory statements and videos online. So where did they want Verydarkman to get that kind of amount of money in this kind of economic? By the way, they should focus on the issue at hand. What transpired, what happened, the fact that Bobrisky was never in prison. These are the matter. Femi Falana, I believe he's a good lawyer. These are the matter he should be investigating on, not pushing everything down to very dark man. This is so bad. They should focus on the issue. Why are they pushing everything down to very dark man? This is so bad. So guys, before I continue, let's look at trending headlines on social media today. Man arrested with gun near Trump rally in California. Boniface laments airport ordeal in Libya. Sports minister condemns actions of Libyan authority. So guys, for more details on this trending headline, do well to visit our website, admnews.com. Make this website your number one when it comes to trending headlines. So guys, back to what we have for today. Back to back to what we have for today. Like I said earlier, court, has ordered that Very Dark Man should bring down, defamatory statements and videos online. That he should bring down the video where he was defaming, Falanas, Femi Falana and his son Faust. And court also said he should pay 500 million. Like, that's a big amount of money. Where do they want Very Dark Man to get this money from? Like, what did Very Dark Man even do? Like, investigating a case that Bobrisky did not actually go to prison. And it's very fair for someone to commit, to have that kind of charge, money laundering, offense, and then you were comfortable in a furnished apartment without going to prison. And you guys, Femi Falana will not, investigate that case. He's pushing everything down to Very Dark Man. This is so bad. This the court said this all these things came after Very Dark Man made a video of when the call of which very Bobrisky had with his friend. Yes, about they were saying that Femi Falana and Bobrisky was helped, but Femi Falana and Faust helped Bobrisky to remove to get a presidential pardon, to help Bobrisky, get out of prison. So this was how all these things started from. So Femi Falana now took it that Very Dark Man is defaming him and his son, and then wants to sue Very Dark Man. Now they are saying that Very Dark Man should pay 500 million naira. Like, this push look at the case at hand. They shouldn't be blaming everything to Very Dark Man. He's just the person that posted it and all that. They should look at the fact that Bobrisky never went to prison, that she was in a furnished apartment. They said that Bobrisky was in a furnished apartment. Then when people comes to see her, they will immediately run back. You can see the kind of corruption in the prison. The prisoner, the controller of prison, will tell her to come back to the prison to see the people that came to see her. Imagine that. And then later she will go back to her furnished apartment. What kind of thing is this? Like, do I believe that all these politicians committing crime, do you think they really went to prison? If you check it, honestly, this country is so corrupt, guys. Let's see. Many people have reacted to what happened today. Court told Very Dark Man to pay. They sent a letter to Very Dark Man to pay 500 million naira for defamation. He said for defaming Falana and his son. So guys, let's look at this article. Many Nigerians are complaining. You will see the comments of people as we move on. So let's look at this article. He said court orders Very Dark Man to take down defamatory post on Falana and Faust. Reading on, it says Bobrisky court fines activist Very Dark Man 500 million naira for defaming rapper Faust and his father Femi Falana. The Lagos State High Court has ordered social media critic Martin Otuse, popularly known as Verydarkman, to pay 500 million naira in damages to human rights advocate Femi Falana San and his son, musician Falarin Falana, popularly known as Faust. This is as the court, presided over by Justice M.O. Idowu, ordered him to delete defamatory statements and videos against the Falanas. So the court ordered that Very Dark Man should delete defamatory statements and videos online, and then he should pay a sum of 500 million naira. Like that's a huge amount of money. I wonder where they want Very Dark Man to get this kind of money. Is it from his NGO that he raised about 30 something million naira to give to help people? So reading on, he says the court's decision followed a series of posts made by Otuse on September 24th on 2024, in which he linked the Falanas to cross-dresser Bobrisky. So all this thing is following the video that Very Dark Man made of Bobrisky not going to prison. Bobrisky said it herself that she wasn't in prison, with the call that Bobrisky had with his friend. Bobrisky said he was never in prison, that instead he was in a very furnished apartment. And if you check in that video that he made, you will see that even in that prison that Bobrisky had a maid or something, that was helping her in that apartment. Imagine someone that committed a crime. Instead of the person to be in prison, they had to rent a furnished apartment for her, enjoying someone that committed a crime. Instead of them to, initially EFCC said they sentenced her to prison, which was a lie. They had to rent a furnished apartment. Do you think all these politicians that commit crime go to prison? Come to think of it, do you think they go to prison? So guys, you see this country, I've given up on this country because every institution in this country is a scam and is full of corruption. Corruption has eaten up Nigerians, honestly. See, there are people above the law. Yes, these people are showing us that there are people above the law. Like all these politicians committing crime, you see that they are delaying to take actions. Just look at this Bobrisky's case. Someone that is supposed to go to prison, they rented a furnished apartment. Very Dark Man just wants an investigation to this case. That's all. He doesn't want to come and start dragging Femi Falana and his son Faust. No. It's just that they mentioned, and Bobrisky mentioned Faust and his father, Femi Falana, for trying to get a presidential pardon for him. That was how they entered this case. It's not like he wants to be dragging them. So they should look at what's actually transpired, not coming to sue Very Dark Man. They should look at the facts. Do you know one thing that is crazy? Femi Falana is not looking at the fact that Bobrisky was not in prison. He's just trying to sue Very Dark Man for calling his name, something like that. So guys, let's see the reactions of Nigeria. Let's see what the Nigerians are saying. So this person is saying Very Dark Man made a rookie mistake by probing Faust and Femi Falana's motive for allegedly talking to Bobrisky. Both Falanas are lawyers. And the law in Nigeria allows lawyers to interview even a wanted criminal and still refuse to reveal where the criminal is hiding. You will learn. This is what this person is saying. This person is saying that Very Dark Man made a mistake by trying to probe Faust and his father's motive for allegedly talking to Bobrisky. The truth is that Very Dark Man no dey hide mouth. Yes, he talks. So he will not do because Femi Falana is a son, then he will not speak out. No, that's where Very Dark Man used to be, pop and plain. He says his own pop and plain. He don't used to hide mouth. So let's look at what the second person is saying. Court orders 500 million naira fine against Very Dark Man for defaming Falana and Faust. Nigeria, we need to donate for Very Dark Man. Honestly, where do these people think Very Dark Man will get this kind of money from? Okay, this one is saying the ordinary Nigeria like you and me are the only ones in this country without the ability to influence the law to their advantage. Honestly, if you're poor in this country, you don't have any say in this country. It's only the rich that are speaking now in this country. If you are rich, you have the rights for. In fact, you are above the law. These are the situations. These are the things happening in this country. They are showing that that people are above the law. There are some people that are above the law. The rich are above the law, while the poor are below the law. Look at Bobrisky's case. Someone that committed that kind of crime. A crime as money laundering didn't go to prison. Then the poor people, look at people that just protested, people that came out, with now Nigerians came to protest against bad governance. They had to arrest them. It's people that didn't commit a crime. People that committed the crime, they will allow them to go scot-free. For people that are innocent, they'll go and arrest them. Can you imagine? So guys, let's see what the next person said. If he does not, I beg, they should move it to contempt. Useless man. Also, I hope they are filing for financial damages. These are people that are against very dark man. Let's see another person's view. So this person said, Nigerian corrupt political lynch mob kangaroo judiciary has strike again. If I were a very dark man, I would rather leave Nigeria than to take that video down. Only God knows the love relationship between Bobrisky and politicians. Falana families hands are not clean either. The transgender own Nigeria. So this person is saying, the corrupt judiciary. Honestly, judiciary, INEC, all these institutions are corrupt. This person is saying they have strikes again. That if he should be very dark man, that he will leave the country. Let's see what another person is saying. This person is saying the Falanas losing Nigerians' respect gradually. Yes, because in that video, that very dark man, in that record, and Bobrisky called Femi Falana's name and files, helping him to get a presidential pardon. So this person is saying the Falanas losing Nigerians' respect gradually. Your son never denied the fact that there was no conversation between him and Idris. Let's focus on the corruption and leave defamatory issues alone. Yes, this person is saying that it is true. You see, Faust never denied having a call with Bobrisky. He said he had a call with Bobrisky, quite all right. That they should leave defamatory issue. They should tackle what is on ground. Investigate that Bobrisky never went to prison. That's all. And you're here trying to use defamatory issue to cover everything, even the fact that Bobrisky never went to prison. You want to use, they want to use this defamatory issue and cover everything. This is what they want to do. This person is saying that that your son never denied the fact that there was no conversation between him and Idris. Let's focus on the corruption, the EFC, the corruption in EFCC, the corruption in prison. They should leave defamatory issues alone. So let's see what the next person is saying. He's saying, but why are these guys not pressing Bob? Why are they not, attacking Bob? Why are they attacking Very Dark Man? They said, but why are these guys not pressing Bob, but focusing their energy on Very Dark Man? Very Dark Man was the one that, actually posted the video. What these people would have done is just focus and investigate, attack Bob, or tell Bob to go back to prison and serve her full term in jail, and not come in to use defamatory statements to put everything on Very Dark Man. Let's see what the next person is saying. The next person is saying, when the investigation is concluded, Faust should be sued for being an accomplice in the crime because he was aware of Bob's intention to bribe prison officials and never raise alarm. So this person is saying, in the video Very Dark Man posted, Bob said that, Faust said that he received a call from Bob. And Bob, Faust asked him that why Bob was calling, and then Bob said he wants to he wants Faust to lend him money, and then Faust said that he will not lend Bob any money. This is what Faust said. He said he will not lend Bob any money. That he should contact him with a correct prison line than coming to make matters worse. Imagine it. Faust knew that Bobrisky wanted to collect money, wanted to bribe prison officials, and he never raised alarm. This person is saying that they should go and sue Bob for that, for knowing fully well that Bob wants to, or had intentions to bribe prison officials, and you never raised alarm. Let's look at what another person said. This person is saying, I'm highly disappointed in our judiciary system. Honestly, is it when it comes to election? In fact, I am highly disappointed to our judiciary system. Very corrupt institution. Let's see another reaction from another person. This person is saying, please, which court gave that order without investigation? How about the cases that followed it? Why the quick judgment on Verydarkman? This person is still saying the same thing. Why are they making quick judgments against Verydarkman? They should look at the pressing issue. They should leave Verydarkman. Verydarkman did not do anything. He was the one that just posted the video. They should investigate the matter on ground and leave Verydarkman. So let's see what another person is saying. This person is saying, that's how they roll. That's how it goes. When friends turns to foes. We forget say lawyer work be like a shower. No matter how bad lawyer dey, he still dey good to him or her client. And no matter how good a lawyer may present him or herself, na bad mind they use follow legal matters. This person is saying that lawyers that they don't judge things well. They use bad mind follow good legal matters. So let's see what the other person is saying. Said very VDM, if I'm in your position, I won't bring anything down. I will just go and pay the 500 million naira and shame the devil. Let's see what another person is saying. This person is saying VDM should have known he was being stupid. He never would have won on top judges and Falana's friend. Let those that we are cheering him donate now. The second, these are people that are not, at the side of very dark man. So the other person is saying you don't take a baby lawyer to go and confront a son. So you're saying that these people, because of Femi Falana is a son, they feel that very dark man's lawyer will not come and confront him. The fact is, Very Dark Man is not dragging anything with Sam. He just wants them to investigate the fact that Bobrisky never went to prison, that she was in a furnished apartment. So he said, you don't take a baby lawyer to go and confront a son, former president, West African Bar Association, and then claim that you will win. It's a defamatory case. It may be difficult to argue and win. I look at the guy at him. You don't wake a sleeping lion, you will be a dead meat. This is what this person is saying. He feels that Very Dark Man's lawyer doesn't know anything, that he cannot confront Sand. But the truth is that Very Dark Man is not dragging anything, like he said. He's not dragging anything with Femi Falana. They should just, investigate and see the fact that Very Dark Man that Bobrisky never went to prison. That's all. So let's see what the other person is saying. This other person is saying if VDM is not a non-influencer, he would have been in jail by now. Wahala for citizens wey no get name, money or leg. So this person is saying that wahala for citizens that that don't have money in this country, because you see, these people have made things to look like the rich are above the law while the poor ones are below. Look at people, like I said before, people that went to protest during the end bad governance protest. People that went to protest, they had to arrest them. Why? What did they commit? Is it bad that someone is going out to protest? They arrested them, put them in prison, even get them conditional bail to pay 10 million naira each. But see those people that actually committed crime, they will go scot-free. And those people that are innocent, they will tell them to go to prison. This is very bad. So guys, we have come to the end of this live section. Don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this, and don't forget the trending headlines I mentioned earlier. Man arrested with gun near Trump rally in California. Boniface laments airport ordeal in Libya. Sports minister condemns action of Libyan authorities. So guys, for more details on this trending headline, do well to visit our website, edumnews.com. Make this website your number one when it comes to trending headlines. Whenever you're looking for anything trending, any news trending outside Nigeria or within, head straight to our website, edumnews.com. So guys, we have come to the end of this live session. Do well to hit the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next live section.